Hello, this is my first animation and it's all about how to get a C grade in your writing for GCSE. You can get higher depending on how well you use these things. Look at how all the letters appear, I'm so pleased with that. Even if they are a little slow. Ta-da! Okay, so first thing you need to think about are your paragraphs. Every time you talk about a different time, place, topic or person, you need to change paragraphs. I remember it by using tip-top. Paragraphs can look really clunky if they're all the same length. They're boring and we're not interested in them. We want to see a variety of different lengths. Single word paragraphs, sentence length paragraphs. It's more interesting and engages your reader. Second, sentences. There are simple sentences, compound and complex. Simple sentences are really short, effective. They build tension or excitement or highlight big ideas. Compound sentences, they're two simple sentences joined by a connective such as and, but, because, and there are lots of others. Complex sentences are the really long sentences that add lots of descriptive detail and additional information. Now on to punctuation. Got exclamation mark, question mark, semicolon, dash, ellipsis, brackets. Exclamation marks show shock and surprise, only use one. Question marks, they're obvious. Semicolons are when sentences are closely linked together. The dash creates a dramatic pause. Ellipsis for the cliffhanger, and brackets for that additional bit of factual information. Whole point with punctuation is you must have a variety. And you have to use it accurately as well. With all the things we've just talked about, variety is the key idea. Look at all my nice pens. Fourth one, accuracy. You must get your spelling. There you go. Spelling right. You have to check it. You must make sure you've got capital S in the right places. For people, places, starts of sentences. That's where they should be. Not in the middle of words, randomly in the middle of sentences. Do not put them there. Don't forget about things like apostrophes in words like don't, for example. You must go back and check your writing to make sure you don't do any of these things. Finally, effective language. This is a huge area. It can mean things like rhetorical questions, emotive vocabulary, words that make you feel something strongly, repeating keywords, power of three, listing three things together for effect, alliteration, two words starting with the same letter, similes, metaphors for that strong imagery, personal pronouns like I, you to engage and address your reader. But there are so many more, and it really depends which ones you use because it's all about the purpose of your writing, and who you're writing for, or the audience. Now, there's lots of different purposes. It could be to describe, persuade, argue. There's lots more. And you might be asked to write an article, a letter, a leaflet. There's all different types of writing. Then you have to think about who is this actually aimed at, because that will change your type of language you choose to use. So key ideas is who you're writing for, why you're writing for them, and how. And if you do all those things, then you will get at least a C grade. You'll be amazing. Bye.